I'm so excited that you're here and that you decided to enroll in the PowerDirector class. The first thing is that whenever I launch a course, I try to make it the best that it can be, but I know I'm not perfect. So there's going to be some things in this class that bother you, some things maybe I didn't cover, or maybe a mistake, and I need your feedback to help make this course better. So if there is anything that you want to help me improve upon, please send me a message or post a question or a comment on the course page, and I'll be happy to use your suggestions to make this course even better. The next thing is that this is a PowerDirector 15 class that builds upon a PowerDirector 14 class that I launched a year ago. Some of the content is going to be the same, but I've put all of the new features and the new content up front in this course. So if you're completely brand new to PowerDirector, I encourage you to jump down a couple sections to where you start to learn how to import and start editing with PowerDirector. If you had taken the previous course, thank you for enrolling in this one, and jump right into the next sections where I cover all of the brand new features of PowerDirector 15. And then the very last thing is that in the next lesson, there is a downloadable file that includes some video clips that you can practice with along with the lessons. Thank you so much for enrolling, and I'll see you in the next lessons.